In knowledge representation in artificial intelligence, events refer to occurrences or happenings that take place in the world. Representing events is essential for AI systems to understand and reason about dynamic processes, temporal relationships, and causal dependencies. Here's how events are typically represented. 1. Event description. Events are described using attributes such as time, location, participants, and actions. For example, an event might include information about when it occurred, where it took place, who was involved, and what actions were performed. 2. Temporal relations. Events can be temporally related to each other, indicating the sequence or duration of events over time. Temporal relations such as before, after, simultaneous, or overlapping are used to represent the temporal order of events. 3. Causal relationships. Events can also be causally related, meaning that one event causes another to happen. Representing causal relationships allows AI systems to understand the cause-effect dynamics between events and make inferences about the consequences of actions. 4. Event hierarchies. Events can be organized into hierarchical structures, where higher-level events consist of sub-events or components. This hierarchical representation helps in decomposing complex events into simpler components and understanding their relationships. By representing events in knowledge representation, AI systems can model and reason about dynamic processes, predict future events, plan actions, and make intelligent decisions in various domains such as natural language understanding, robotics, and intelligent systems.